Hello friends, how are you? I'm Shivraj. Today we are starting a new course of Python basics. So as per your interest and as per your responses, we will continue with the advanced also. So what we will cover in this course, we will go through this video. Let's begin. The course to start with Python. I am at BNF People. We are an education hub for providing a free education. In this course, we will see the installation of Python, which is through Anaconda or by Jupyter Notebook. Then we will see what is Jupyter Notebook and how it works, right? Then the variables in Python, the numbers in Python, the tuples in Python, and finally the strings in Python. This is the very basic concepts in Python that will make you a familiar environment for Python. Once you will go through this course, you will be familiar with Python, and then you can move on to the advanced things of its dictionaries, its library, and functions, objects and classes, and its loops, and like top 5 Python libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and web scraping, and for plotting, Matplot library, like that. So today we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook or Anaconda. The link will be provided in description. Don't worry about that. We will make it as simpler as possible. Just move on to the Google. You have to do only one thing. Just type on Jupyter Notebook in your Google. Just click enter, and the very first thing you will get it is Jupyter Notebook. Click on it. You will be forwarded to the website of Jupyter, right? So you will see many options here to install Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. We will not go with the Jupyter Lab. We will see the Jupyter Notebook. As you are starting your journey with the Python, you can install Jupyter Notebook. But as you will go through the journey so far from the Python, you have to go through with R and other more languages to interface together and work with them. You are already going through some more languages, so I personally suggest go with the Anaconda. This is the interface. So we will install Anaconda and see what are the things Anaconda provides us and what is the interface of Anaconda, where you will get your Jupyter Notebook also. So similarly, open your Google and type Anaconda. If you will type Anaconda, it will give you the very first link, which is Anaconda, the world's most popular data science platform. Click on the very first link. It will move you towards its home screen. So the very first link you will see here is download for Windows. Okay, it will give you option for Apple and Linux also. So if you have other operating systems, you will go with them, right? So this is the very basic landing page of Anaconda, where you can see what are the different products of Anaconda that you will see in your professional things with data sciences after learning the basics of Python. So simply go with the download of Anaconda. Launch Notebook. So I already installed Anaconda. So I will show you that what are the things you have to do with that. Thank you for downloading Anaconda. So what you will see, once the Anaconda installed, it just needs some clicking next points to install Anaconda. It is very simple. As usual, you install other softwares, it will be same platform. So go to your search tab and just search Anaconda. See, you have your Jupyter notebook here, Anaconda Navigator here, and all those things. For your basics, you can go directly on Jupyter notebook, but let's see what is in Anaconda Navigator. Now you can see the landing page of Anaconda Navigator. Here you can see home, environments. See, these are the environments which is provided by Anaconda. When you will run it on your first time, it will give you some basic things to take installed. So right from home, you can see CMD command window. You can launch it from here. Data log, IBM, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook. Both things are available right now here. Your PowerShell, Qt, Spider, RStudio. You can use RStudio over here. PyCharm Professionals, Orange, and these things. So from here you can launch your Jupyter Notebook. And once you will get this, you need just clicking on launch. So go with that. And as you can see, PyCharm, RStudio are not installed over here. So it say you to install these things also. Whenever you need these things, just install and go with that. It will take few time when you start it once. Once all things will be synchronized, it will not take time. It will be opening into your browser, local browser, as localhost #tetra83. This is your home screen with the Jupyter notebook and the drive that you share with it. Okay, here this is your local drive, right? So whatever you want, just click on new. See, it provides you the latest version of Python. Okay, just click on it and you will be landed into your programming page here. So we can come on the page where you can program your Python. It is untitled, so you can change the file name, that first of Python. See, first of Python. We will type our first name, print hello world. Clicking on run, the program it runs. So simple. Python is very simple. See, just typing print hello world. The very first thing we type on every programming, hello world, right? This is your first lesson of the course by installing Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda. Be connected with us. We will cover all the things. As we learn, we teach.